Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I gotta admit this, I'm sorry. I've already been into one of these. I couldn't help it. I am robbing you of the organic unboxing experience with one of these. The other one I have not been in. It came in on a Saturday, and I just couldn't. I don't film on Saturdays, so I just opened it. I was like, I have to look at this, and I'm glad I did. Sorry, but we're gonna get into these so you guys can see them. I will link these. I think these are available. I'm gonna link them right down below so you guys can check them out. One of them, the one that I checked out, is super cool. Anyways, thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's open the one that I have not checked out yet. This says Nox black G10 with black steel handle, black stonewashed Nitro V blade. Okay. Oh, that's, yeah, I should have known the sticker has not been cut yet. These were sent to me directly by Civivi. So thank you, Civivi, for doing that. I appreciate it. Here it is. Oh, that's a thin boy. Okay. I'm not really super pumped about steel frame locks, to be honest. If you like steel frame locks, I do like this Contour G10 on this side. That's real nice. Yeah, the blackwash blade is okay. This is all right. I don't know what I don't know what the deal is with the frame locks, the steel frame locks all of a sudden. That's really kind of bizarre to me. But okay, you know, if you like this, then that's fine. This feels like it might have a price tag that doesn't make me super happy. But, you know, I'll link it down below. This is not a review. I'll review these knives. I just want to, you know, share them with you guys here initially. Now, this guy, I gotta apologize to everybody in that live stream here recently. This is called the Altus. I kept calling it the Atlas. And people even corrected me in the stream, and I thought they were correcting that I was saying Atlas and not Atlas, and I was like, whatever. You know, and I made my whole pronunciation joke. No, I was really mispronouncing it. It is Altus. Oh my gosh. I'm stupid. This thing is awesome. This is a button lock. Ugh. They have a silver bead blast on this knife, which looks really good. Yes, Civivi, yes. This is great. I don't know if you've been doing this finish. I don't know if it's just now I'm noticing how good it looks because of the blade on this, which I really love. This is awesome, right? They have their Cogent, which I named here recently as the best budget knife in existence. Budget knives on this channel are anything, excuse me, under $75. And this is another spectacular button lock design that's a bit smaller. I'll show you guys. The blade comes in, if we measure to right there on the G10 scale, just shy of 3 inches, which it's close enough. You still got to be careful, but excuse me. Yeah, that would make it legal in some places that you know it normally wouldn't be. So if you're looking for a button lock and you want a bigger one, well then definitely go with the Cogent. But this guy coming in at 7 inches is going to be that inexpensive. It's gonna scratch that whole button lock itch for a lot of people who are looking for a button lock, but maybe you don't have the budget for a Malibu or the patience to wait for one, but you like smaller knives. Oh, there's really not a lot to critique here right off the bat. I'm gonna let you guys know. I don't like their gooseneck bills. They're the goose bill clips. Sorry, with the gooseneck, but there's a lot of good here. Yeah, I kind of hope Civivi continues with this button lock thing because the designs themselves are Civivi. Civivi makes a, you know, whether you want to call it boring, you want to call it minimalist, right? Some people really like that. It's, you know, with the same kind of stuff over and over and over again, you know, it's like the change up to a steel frame lock is not, there's not much here for me. But the button lock thing, which I argue, a lot of people say it's fidgety nonsense. I actually argue that it is a utilitarian. There's utilitarian benefit, right? Engaging, deploying it like the thumb studs are in the right place. When you are disengaging the lock, number one, back locks, I can't stand them because I got to use two hands. Some people don't care. I do. So it's still a one-handed, disengagement, but your fingers are not in the path. Like on a liner lock or frame lock, when you disengage it, your fingers in the blade path. You got to move it out of the way. With this, no, you just turn sideways and push the button, and the blade falls down into the close position, right? Most of the time, you just whip it shut. I like button locks. I think they're great. This is a really, really cool knife. I hope it has a reasonable price tag. I got to admit, I haven't looked at the price tag, but I hope it's reasonable. Nitro V blade. That silver bead blast is very beautiful. Peel Ply G10. Good ergos, right, for a small knife. That's a good one. That's a very good one right there. I'm very, very pleased with that. Sorry I cheated you guys out of the initial reaction. I can promise you I was in my kitchen going, wow, just by myself. But yeah, this is great. Civivi, nice. Very cool. You guys will get a full review on these a bit down the road. Not super pumped about the one up there, but it looks decent. Like I said, there'll be links for these knives right down in the description. Thanks again to Civivi for sending these in. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.